love this puppy. Except it goes off a little fast. I think you can change that. But it's comfortable. It holds up good when I'm working out and when I'm out in the yard. Encourages me to walk more and drink more water. Cool. Thank you, Fitbit.
This is absolutely brilliant. I go out running. Well, no, I don't go out running. I go out walking at a very quick pace, and sometimes I'll miss a walk and I look at my app and it's missing, and I'm thinking, oh, and you know what? It encourages me to go. So it really does. It's absolutely perfect. And my husband is just in Argos now picking up some Fitbit scales so we can do them both together. Really, really would recommend it.